by test book. अरे मेरे भाई, हाँ, you are here. Hello students, welcome to CAT preparation by test book. This is Ashish Kumar. I welcome to another very good session, very informative session, very important session for all those who are preparing for CAT or OMETS 2025. अच्छा, आज का सेशन थोड़ा सा अलग है. Okay, we have taken care of, we started geometry, right? Geometry में we have taken care of triangles, circles and quadrilaterals. We have taken care of all of these things, right? I was talking to some of the students and they were insisting कि सर हम लोग ATMA का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, हम लोग CMAT का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. सर, we are very specific about NMAT. Okay, तो उसके लिए भी कुछ कोर्सेज लेकर आओ सर, if possible. So what I have done today is, circles we have already taken care of. Circles have been completed in 3 parts: complete theory, illustrative examples. But what I have done today is specifically from circles, I have selected questions that have featured in OMETS. And उसमें भी I am very specific to CMAT, NMAT and SNAP. क्योंकि the level of questions asked in these 3 exams is very basic and very similar. So today we are going to deal with the questions that have featured in questions from circles that have featured in these 3 OMETs. Just to give you an idea that if you are preparing for CAT, OMETs का mathematics is already taken care of. OMETs का mathematics, OMETs का QA section is a subset of CAT in terms of syllabus, and in terms of difficulty level, it is very below when compared to CAT. If I rate CAT as 10, OMETs would be hardly 2, not more than that. ZAT has good level. MHCT में QA में again it is somewhat calculation based, थोड़ा सा calculation intensive हो जाता है. But these examinations, and these are good examinations, these examinations they ask one-liners. Okay, so we'll try to understand that, and also we will create this agenda from now on कि OMETs के लिए आपको अलग से करने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you are doing CAT का preparation, OMETs का preparation is automatically being taken care of, right? So आज का सेशन डेडिकेटेड है बेसिकली CMAT, NMAT और SNAP के क्वेश्चंस को लेके. Before we proceed with the questions, guys, attempt all India mock test. Okay, attempt all India mock test. Just a second. Chalo. Now, attempt all India mock test. All India mock test is a free mock test conducted by Textbook every Sunday. This Sunday also it would be conducted, and the timing is 12 hours. It starts from 12 in the afternoon and will go until 12 midnight. The mode is online. You can attend it from anywhere. क्यों करना है सर? It's very important considering कि CAT के लिए you need to be aware of. This gives you real CAT experience, right? CAT में जैसे आप mock देते हो, CAT is nothing but one paper, one test, right? तो ये उसकी तरह ही है. तो आपको mock देने का मौका मिल रहा है free of cost. Definitely go for it. And इसका video solution we do publish the very next day on YouTube, live video analysis, right? तो वो भी हो जाता है. So why not attempt this mock test? The registration link is in the description. Register कर लो फटाफट. Webinar, our Surana sir is conducting a webinar tomorrow, that is Saturday. Saturday 9 PM he is conducting a webinar wherein he is gonna answer all your queries regarding CAT 2025. Okay, he is also gonna give you the plan for remaining time. CAT 2025 के लिए जो time बचा है, given time में what best can be done, he will also guide you for the same. Now let's start. इसके लिए भी link है बेटा, registration कर लो. It would be a Zoom webinar. Zoom क्यों? Two-way conversation है. He will entertain your doubts, queries live. Let's start with the first question that featured in OMETs. All of these questions have featured in some of the OMETs. या तो स्नैप का है या तो सीमैट का है, मोस्टली स्नैप के लिए मैंने वैसे तो memory based. So either snap, CMAT or nmat. Okay, the first question. Now what I'll do today is I won't give you time हर question के लिए, कुछ question के लिए if I feel कि आपको time देना चाहिए तो I'll give you some time, but not for every question. Do like the session guys. Meanwhile, इस session को like कर दो. If you are here enjoying the stream, like it. Chalo, there is a circle of radius 5 centimeter. The length of the chord of circle which is at a distance 3 centimeter from the center. Yes or no? Very basic question. There is a circle. एक सर्कल है, राइट, येलो कलर का सर्कल. ओके, इस सर्कल का एक सेंटर होगा, ऑब्वियसली सर एक सेंटर तो होगा. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड विच इज एट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 3 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द सर्कल. ओके, सो वी नीड टू ड्रॉ कॉर्ड. कॉर्ड क्या होता है? कॉर्ड कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. कॉर्ड इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट दैट स्टार्ट्स एंड एंड्स ऑन द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. वेरी गुड. What is asked? What is the length of the chord? इस chord का length बताना है, provided it is at a distance of 3 centimeter. It is at a distance of 3 centimeter from the circle, from the center. So this is perpendicular and this is 3 centimeter. Let's say O is the center, AB is the chord, and this point is C. This point is C. So you need to find the length of the chord. आपको AB का length निकालना है. Now we know that perpendicular from center to chord bisects the chord. So AB is what? AB is 2 times AC और 2 times BC. So अगर मुझे AC या BC कोई भी मिल गया, these two are equal. AC is equal to BC. मुझे AC BC में कोई भी एक साइड मिल गया, I can find what is the length of the chord, right? चलो एक बहुत बेसिक सा कंस्ट्रक्शन. लेट्स कनेक्ट दिस OA. ओके, या तो OB कर लो, द चॉइस इज योर्स. तो व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ OA? OA इज द रेडियस एंड रेडियस इज गिवन एज 5. सो दिस इज 5. कैन नॉट वी फाइंड AC? AC निकल जाएगा ना बेटा. इन ट्राइंगल AOC, AO स्क्वायर is equal to AC square plus OC square. है ना? So this is 5 square is as good as AC square plus OC is 3. 3 square. This gives me AC square as 16 and AC as 4. AC मिल गया आपको 4. So if this is 4, this has to be 4 and the length of the chord is 8. Length of the chord is 8. वन लाइनर्स दे आस्क. वन लाइनर्स लास्ट में मूविंग फॉरवर्ड एक दो ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन भी है दैट वी विल सी, बट मोस्टली द क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड इन डोमेट्स आर कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड. कॉन्सेप्ट पता है, अप्लाई करो, एक लाइन में आंसर बताओ. चलो, दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आई विल गिव यू 60 सेकेंड्स. ट्राई कर लो एक बार, ठीक है? आई विल गिव यू 60 सेकेंड्स एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चन. ट्राई दिस वन. Meanwhile, I will draw the diagram. Time's up. Chalo, guys, check this out. A circle has a diameter of 16 centimeter. Let's say this is the circle of diameter 16 centimeter. This is the radius. Okay, what is the length of a tangent drawn to the circle from a point outside the circle? Let this point A be outside the circle and this AB is the tangent. तो AB का लेंथ निकालना है. You have to find the length of the tangent. So AB is asked, AB is desired. provided the distance of the point with the center is 17. This distance is 17. आपको OA given है 17. OA is 17. OA is 17 centimeters, right? Very good. Acha, this OB will behave as the radius. We know that if we connect center of the circle with the point of contact of tangent, it is 90 degrees. It is right angle triangle. It is right angle. So this angle is 90 degree. Now ABO is a right angled triangle. Yes, sir. ABO एक right angle triangle है, wherein OA is 17, OB is the radius, diameter is 16, so radius would be 8, and since it is right angled at B, OA is the hypotenuse and AB is asked. सर ये तो बड़ा easy question है, फटाफट कर लो. सर OA square is equal to OB square plus AB square. हाँ जी, OA square is 17 square equals OB square is 8 square plus AB square. How much is this? 289 minus 64 equals AB square. तो AB क्या हो जाएगा? 15. Direct formula based question, direct concept based question. Answer is option A. Correct answer is option A. Very good. Chalo, let's jump to next question. This is the question. Very good. अब क्या गिवन है इसमें? इन द अबव फिगर व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ PS? आपको PS का लेंथ निकालना है. लेट्स से दिस इज X. ओके, PS is X. Given that PQ is 6, ये PQ है 6 और QR is 3. QR is 3. PT is 12. This PT is 12. This is X, so this would be 12 minus X. Yes or no? Very good. अच्छा, क्या फॉर्मूला है? What is the formula? Secant का. For a circle, if there are two secants P, Q, R and PST, formula says that PQ into PR is equal to PS into PT. Yes or no? PQ into PR is equal to PS into PT. That's the formula we are going to use. Formula based question again. So what is PQ? PQ is 6. What is PR? PR is PQ plus QR, 6 plus 3, 9. What is PS? PS is X. What is PT? PT is 12. PT is 12. The entire length is PS plus ST और given भी है ना, directly given है. PT is 12. So this is 12. Solve for X. 6 into 9 upon 12. It goes in 2 times. 4.5. 4.5 is the answer to the question. Option D. Option D. Bolo, yes, sir. Omits. And we have learned all of this in our regular classes, right? Regular the circles ka class we conducted. We have taken care of all the concepts. All of these concepts we have already taken care of. And we have done enough questions based on this. Chalo. Guys, jump to next question. Chalo, I'll give you 60 minutes to ponder. 60 minutes, nahi, 60 seconds. चलो, सोचो. डायग्राम बढ़िया है, मजा आएगा. Come on, guys, and do like the stream. Meanwhile, take the not opportunity. I humbly request you to like the stream. कम ऑन गाइस, ये मैथ का क्वेश्चन है, 3 एक साल पहले आया था ये, एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस आर मेमोरी बेस्ड. ओके, मिल जाएंगे आपको, इफ यू सर्च इट ऑन गूगल और एनीवेयर, आपको मिल जाएंगे ये क्वेश्चंस मेमोरी बेस्ड में. टाइम्स अप. चलो, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? सॉल्व करने का बहुत सारा तरीका है. वी विल फॉलो वन ऑफ देम. व्हाट वी विल डू इज, क्या आ गया सुनो, एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हैं, ऐसे एक दूसरा एंगल ड्रॉ करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स से दैट दिस इज ए बी सी ओ है ना, ये दिस इज पॉइंट डी, राइट? नाउ वी नो कि if there are 2 points on circumference, सेंटर पे जो एंगल होता है ना is 2 times the angle subtended by it on arc in the same segment, right? So if this is 100, this would be 50. सेंटर पे जो एंगल बनेगा that is 2 times the angle subtended by it on the arc in the same segment. And if this is 50, ध्यान से देखो, ए बी सी डी इज साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल. ए बी सी डी इज साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल. और साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल की प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? सम ऑफ अपोजिट एंगल्स इज 180. सो एंगल डी प्लस एंगल बी वुड बी 180 डिग्रीज. एंगल बी प्लस एंगल डी would be 180 degrees. Angle D being 50 degree, angle B क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 30 degrees. Straight forward. Straight forward. No, I'll be very honest. आपको पता है? I'll be very honest. हाँ? 130. हाँ,
35 बोला था, 135.
135 नहीं बोला, 130 बोला.
उसने 135 बोला था, मैंने 130. तुक्के मारने में मैं पढ़ दूं.
तुक्के मारने में चला ना. I'll be very honest, अगर मैं होता ना आज के जमाने में, if I were a student अभी, तो I would have attempted snap seriously, बहुत seriously करके, because snap से you would get SIBM, पुणे का जो सेनापति बापट रोड का ब्रांच है, and that is very good. That college is awesome and it's very easy to crack. Okay, चलो आ जाओ. I'll bring an alumni of SIBM who did the same. He was good student, but instead of focusing on CAT, he focused on CAT, but he focused more on snap. It's difficult, but with practice you can crack snap easily. चलो आ जाओ, try next question. अब ये question है, ठीक है? Take 60 seconds. Think about it. Think about it. भाई को कुछ बोल, क्या बोलना है तुमको? क्या बोलना है टिकटॉक? करेंगे धीरे धीरे.
पापा, उन लोगों को जो टाइम दिख रहा होगा, उनको भी मतलब उनको गलत टाइम दिख रहा होगा.
हाँ, थोड़ा पीछे चलते हैं ना. आई एम टॉकिंग टू माई सन. ओके, हाँ थोड़ा पीछे चलता है हम लोगों का.
मैं भी पीछे चल रहा हूँ, मैं आगे चल रहा हूँ.
हाँ. So I got 90 minutes last time, but left in Pune for the dream college going in ABC. Dhruv Arora. You left SIBM Pune. चलो चलो जा पढ़ने दे इनको. जाओ तुम लोग अभी. I would not have done that. मैं नहीं करता ये, मैं नहीं करता। देखो, आई सीन स्टूडेंट्स डूइंग क्रेजी थिंग्स, दिस इज क्रेजी, डेफिनेटली क्रेजी। अगर अगर इफ यू वुड हैव बीन अ फ्रेशर ना, तो इफ आई वर अ फ्रेशर I would have grabbed the opportunity through. If I were a fresher, okay, I would have definitely grabbed the opportunity. I've seen students जिनको CAT में 99.98, 97 तक आया है, and they didn't go high ABC, but this is crazy. चलो आ जाओ. In the above figure, AB is a tangent to the circle, and another line drawn from A cuts the circle 2 points on P and Q. सो क्या फॉर्मूला है, क्या इस पे कॉन्सेप्ट है? ए बी स्क्वायर टेंजेंट ना, ए बी स्क्वायर इज ए पी इंटू ए क्यू, दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट, ए पी इंटू ए क्यू। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट मेंसुरेशन। ओके, इफ ए बी इज 18, if AB is 18 and AQ is 27, this entire AQ is 27, you have to find the length of PQ. PQ को x ले लो and this entire thing is 27, this will become 27 minus x. बोलो yes sir, very good. So we can write AB square, which is 18 square, equals AP, AP is 27 minus x, into AQ, which is 27. Okay, AQ is 27 ना. You need to solve this to find the value of x. आ जाओ करते हैं, ठीक है. So this is 18 into 18. Okay, and this is 27 minus x into 27. 9 से जाएगा 3 times में, this will go in 2 times, 18 to the 36. How much would be this? 36 equals 27 minus x into 3, ये जाएगा 12 times में. So 27 minus x equals 12, x equals 15. X equals 15. So correct answer to this question was 15. I would pray for you, Dhruv, from wherever you are taking classes, कुछ भी हो, I want you to get to IIM ABC this year. कुछ भी हो जाए, ठीक है. If we could be of some help, do let us know. Okay, this particular question, guys. Take 90 seconds for this. Take 90 seconds for this. SIBM Pune has great culture. SIBM Pune, apart from the academics, is rated very high for culture. One aspect of doing an MBA is networking, right? You make peers, your friend, आपके जो classmates हैं, they would be your friends for lifetime. They would be your friends for lifetime. And SIBM में ना, you'll find students from different cultures, not only from the different parts of the country, but from the different parts of the world. चलो, the time's almost up, guys. Time's up. अच्छा देखो, what is given in the question is, question में आपको दे रखा है कि sir, there are two parallel chords AB and CD drawn on opposite sides of a center of a circle. let this be center of the circle and there would be two chords, एक इधर और दूसरा इधर, and these chords are parallel to each other. These chords are parallel to each other. So AB and CD. It's very well given in the question that AB is parallel to CD. I had one such case, Dhruv, where I did regret my decision. अच्छा ये पैरेलल दिख रहा नहीं है, बट अस्यूम दैट दे आर पैरेलल. ठीक है, ये पैरेलल दिख रहा नहीं है, थोड़ा सा एंगल पे आ गया, बट अस्यूम दैट दिस इज पैरेलल. आई विल टेल यू मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, इफ यू वुड बी हियर. ओके, नाउ द रेडियस ऑफ दिस circle is 25. The radius of this circle is 25 and the distance between these two chords is 39. AB और CD के बीच का जो distance है that is 39. अरे हटना भाई. So ये जो distance है this is 39. Okay, चलो. This distance is 39. Let this be the center O. So this is 39. अगर इसको x बोला तो this would be 39 minus x. और ABCD इसको E बोल दो, इसको F बोल दो, E and F. Right? Radius of the circle is 25. Radius of the circle is 25. Very good. And AB is 14 centimeters long. AB का length 14 centimeters given है. So this is 7 and this is 7 because distance क्या होता है दो parallel lines के बीच में? Distance क्या होता है? The minimum possible distance और parallel line है तो distance would be same. Also we know that this would be perpendicular. Right? क्योंकि दो parallel line अगर हम draw कर रहे हैं तो distance ये तो नहीं लेंगे ना, एंगल पे तो नहीं लेंगे, डिस्टेंस वो होगा जो मिनिमम पॉसिबल डिस्टेंस हो एंड दैट वुड बी परपेंडिकुलर. राइट? चलो आपको ए बी गिवन है, सी डी निकालना है. इट इज गिवन दैट रेडियस इज हाउ मच? रेडियस गिवन है, हाउ मच इज द रेडियस? रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल इज 25. दिस रेडियस इज 25. वेरी गुड. सो अगर मुझे रेडियस गिवन है, इफ रेडियस इज गिवन, तो इन दिस ट्राइंगल, इन ट्राइंगल AOE, in triangle AOE, I can find out OE. OE would be square root of OA square minus AE square. है ना? OE would be OA square minus AE square. Right? अब ये क्या है बेटा? OA तो given है 25, तो 625 minus AE. AE is 7 square. 7 square is 49. So this is root 576 or 24. OE is 24. OE मिल गया आपको 24. So this is 24. And if this is 24, what would be OF? OF would be 15. OF would be 15 because X is 24. So this would be 15. Right? अगर ये 15 है, आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन सी डी. अगर मैं इसको कनेक्ट कर दूं, दिस अगेन इज 25, OC is 25, OF is 15. We can calculate CF. We can calculate CF. बोलो yes sir. What would be CF? CF क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? सर CF in triangle OCF. In triangle OCF. CF square would be equal to OC square minus OF square. Pythagoras theorem. Yet again, okay. So CF would be a square root of OC square, which is 625, minus OF square, which is 225. So CF is equal to root 100 root 400. CF equals 20. और अगर ये CF 20 है तो FD भी 20 होगा and CD would be 40. And CD would be 40. Guys, do like the session. Take a moment to like the session. Bolo, yes, Sir. Chalo, next question. Let's solve this together. In the given figure, O is the center. Very good. Find the measure of the angle AOC. AOC का measurement निकालना है. How much is angle AOC? We need to find out the value of angle AOC. Very, very good, sir. Very, very good. I know that angle AOC is 2 times angle ABC. Yes or no? Angle AOC is nothing but 2 times of angle ABC. Sorted? Let's try and find out angle ABC. Let's try and find out angle ABC. Okay, चलो इसको connect कर दिया. We know that OA and OB are radius of the circle. So OA is equal to OB. So if this is 30, this has to be 30 base angles of an isosceles triangle. Going by the same logic, if this is 40, this would be 40. Base angles of an isosceles triangles, they are equal. So now I can say angle ABC is 30 plus 40. 70 into 2, 140 degree is the answer for angle AOC. Omits. I am little bit disappointed वैसे. If we are in the system, we should take benefit of the system. Okay, I am little bit disappointed with NMAT, CMAT and SNAP because the question they set is very basic in nature, the question paper, the entire question paper in fact. Now, the students who are attempting the paper are graduate students. Okay. और यार 12th के स्टैंडर्ड पे जो एग्जाम हो रहे हैं ना आजकल, उसमें इनके पेपर से ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. MTS वगैरह देखो, उनमें इनसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट आ रहा है. IBPS क्लर्क, PO, SBI क्लर्क, PO की तो बात ही छोड़ दो. Forget about those. Okay. Little bit disappointed. In fact, SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, ये जो है ना, what they do, SNAP, NMAT and CMAT, इनका जो पेपर है ना, is equivalent to that of prelims of IBPS. Prelims, mains नहीं, mains तो difficult हो जाता है IBPS का. Prelims of IBPS. IBPS बैंकिंग के एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट करती है, तो क्लर्क का जो प्रीलिम्स का पेपर है ना, इज आइडेंटिकल टू दैट ऑफ स्नैप, एनमैट, सीमैट. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन we'll discuss this together. In the given figure, AB and AC are two tangents, right? Whose center is O? Very good. This is the center और ये tangent है AB और AC, तो definitely ये 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए, given है. Angle BAC is 50. This angle is 50. और आपको निकालना है BDC. देखो ना कितना आसान क्वेश्चन है यार, कितना आसान क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है. All you need to know is the concept. One line का क्वेश्चन. This is 90. This is 90. This is 50. The sum of all of these four angles has to be 360. Okay, 90, 90 is 180, 180 plus 50 is 230. So this is 360 minus 230, 130 degrees. Angle at the center would be 130 degrees. And if this is 130, what would be this angle? Half. Half of 130. This would be 65. Yes, Nihar. You are right, beta. Always. So answer is option D. The correct answer is option D. Chalo, next. This question. In the given figure, PQ is 9. PQ is 9. O is the center of the circle. Then find the length of PO. आपको PO की लेंथ निकालनी है. PQ is 9, so PR would be 9, क्योंकि दोनों tangent है ना, both of them are tangents, right? This angle is 60. हालांकि what we need to do is एक छोटा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन कर लेते हैं. Let's connect these two. Let's connect these two. Okay, these two triangles are congruent. Triangles are congruent. क्यों? OQ is equal to, sorry, these two triangles are congruent because OQ is equal to OR, radius of the circle. OP is equal to OP, and PQ is equal to PR. So these two triangles are congruent. कौन सा? Triangle POQ is congruent to triangle POR, right? Which means these angles would be equal. ये 120 है, तो this would be 60. This would be 60. This has to be 30. And this has to be 30. What is asked? Find the length of PO. PO निकालना है. PO निकालना है. Consider any of the triangles. ऊपर वाला triangle या नीचे वाला triangle. Consider any one of them. I have to find out PO. PO is the hypotenuse. Okay. अगर हम नीचे वाला ट्रायंगल देखते हैं POR, so cos theta will relate PR with PO, right? I can write cos 30 equals PR upon PO. Hi Anna. Cos 30 is PR upon PO. What is cos 30? Sir, root 3 by 2 equals PR. PR is 9 upon PO. PO needs to be calculated. How much is PO? 18 by root 3. 18 root 3 by 3. 6 root 3. From here we can calculate that PO is 6 root 3. Option A. PO is 6 root 3. Option A. Bolo, yes sir. Snap. Chalo, next question beta. In the following figure, R is the point of contact of two circles P and Q. R is point of contact of two circles P and Q. The point of contact of common tangent with the two circles. एक मिनट. In the following figure, R is the point of contact of two circles P and Q. ठीक है, very good. P and Q are the points of contact of the common tangent. अच्छा, ये common tangent है, इसका point of contact है PQ, and R is the point of contact of two circles. Very good. तो find angle PRQ. PRQ का वैल्यू निकालना है. You have to find this value. ये वैल्यू आपको निकालनी है. ये एंगल निकालना है आपको. ओके, चलो, वेरी गुड. PRQ निकालना है, एंगल PRQ needs to be found out. ओके, चलो गाइस, देखो अब इसमें क्या कर सकते थे. ये थोड़ा सा ना ट्रिकी है. नॉट डिफिकल्ट, ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. ऑब्जर्वेशन बेस्ड. थोड़ा सा यू नीड टू डू दिस. अगर if I draw this common tangent to both of these circles, इन दोनों सर्कल्स का एक कॉमन टेंजेंट एक तो ये है, और एक ऐसा भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं ना, ऐसा कॉमन टेंजेंट फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. ये भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं कॉमन टेंजेंट, राइट? कर सकते हैं ना. लेट्स से इट इंटरसेक्ट्स दिस एट S. It intersects PQ at S. राइट। तो अब एस पॉइंट से इस वाले सर्कल पे आई हैव टू टेंजेंट्स, एक है एसपी, दूसरा है एस आर। एसपी है और एस आर है, एंड वी नो दैट एसपी वुड बी इक्वल टू एस आर। क्यों? क्योंकि एक सर्कल पे अगर एक पॉइंट से दो टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करते हैं, द लेंथ ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम आर इक्वल। So because of this construction, now we can see कि from point S, SP is a tangent, SR is a tangent. So SP is equal to SR. These two sides are equal. Yes or no? So these two angles would be equal. If this is X, this would be X. But obvious. Similarly, in this circle, SR is equal to SQ. SR SQ के बराबर है, right? So base angles have to be equal. If this is Y, this would be Y, right? Now we can say that in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is 180 degrees. Is 180 degrees. Okay. So angle P is X, angle Q is Y, angle R is X plus Y. This is 180 degrees. So 2 times X plus Y is 180 degrees and X plus Y is 90. X plus Y is 90. And this was asked, right? Angle PRQ पूछा था ना? What is PRQ? PRQ is X plus Y only and X plus Y is 90. So correct answer to this question was option C, 90. Bolo, yes sir. Very good. Do like the session. Okay. This one question is for your practice. नहीं ये करेंगे एक क्वेश्चन, अभी दो क्वेश्चन पेंडिंग है. दिस वी विल सॉल्व हियर एंड दिस वन क्वेश्चन वुड बी फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. चलो. The sum of the perimeters of two circles which touch each other externally is 176. Okay, so there are two circles. There are two circles. Okay, एक है बड़ा सर्कल, एक है बड़ा सर्कल और एक है छोटा सर्कल. ठीक है, ये सर्कल है थोड़ा सा छोटा. And they touch each other externally. They touch each other externally. Sorted? Let's say कि इसका रेडियस है R और इसका रेडियस है कैपिटल R. लेट्स से सेंटर पहले डिफाइन कर लेते हैं. लेट्स से द सेंटर इज X and Y and this is a small r and this is capital R, the radius. Okay, the sum of perimeter of two circles which touch each other externally is 176. इन दोनों सर्कल्स का पेरीमीटर का सम इज 176. तो आई कैन से 2 pi r plus 2 pi r is 176. Yes or no? So 2 pi r plus r is 176. This is 44 by 7. R plus R is 176. So R plus R क्या है बेटा? 28. R plus R is 28. Very good. So this is small r plus capital R is 128. Not 128, 28. Moving ahead, what is the ratio of the radius of the larger circle to that of smaller circle if sum of the squares of radii of the circle is 400? So आपको given है r square plus r square is 400. This is given. आपको दोनों रेडियस निकालना है और रेशियो बताना है. सॉर्टेड. बेटा दो वेरिएबल दो इक्वेशन सॉल्वेबल है ना? बोलो यस सर. बिल्कुल है. हाउ टू सॉल्व? How to solve? Sir, multiple ways to solve. I can use algebraic identities. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Okay, हम ये यूज कर सकते हैं. Or we can use the method of substitution. Let's use the method of substitution here. इस वाले केस में मेथड ऑफ सब्सटीट्यूशन यूज करते हैं, आ जाओ. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन. I will put capital R as 28 minus R. Okay, I got this from here. I'll put this value in this equation. Right, so this will give me R square plus 28 minus R whole square equals 400. Let's solve this. R square plus 784 plus R square minus 56R equals 400. Got it? So this is 2R square minus 56R plus 384 equals 0. This gives me R square minus 28R plus 192 equals 0. Okay, ये मिल रहा है. I'll take this out. You can always go back and watch the solution. I'll take this out. Equate this. You have to find the value of R. Product 192 कब होगा? Sum 28 and product 192 is 16 into 12. So this is R square minus 16R minus 12R plus 192 equals 0. This gives me R as 16 and 12. R is 16 and 12. But we know that when R is 16, capital R would be 12, and this is not done. क्योंकि ये वाला R छोटा होना है ना. This has to be. अगर ये 16 है तो R is 12. तो small r is greater than greater r. ये नहीं चलेगा. So this is not the case. We will eliminate this. Value of small r is 12. Value of small r is 12. What is value of capital R? Sir, 28 minus 12, 16. What was asked? Ratio. Larger by smaller का. Ratio. Larger by smaller का. तो 16 by 12. 16 by 12. 4 by 3. Option D. Option D. So, I'll give you one question for your practice. Attempt this and punch your answers in the comment box. Okay? Punch this and put your answer in the comment box. So, the next session, that's tomorrow, we are going to start mensuration. अब मेंसुरेशन क्या है? देखो, अभी तक हमने जो कुछ भी किया, ट्राइंगल्स किया, क्वाड्रिलेटरल किया, सर्कल किया, एवरीथिंग वाज 2D. मेंसुरेशन इज वॉल्यूम बेस्ड नाउ. ठीक है, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. उसमें हम लोग स्फेयर, हेमिस्फेयर, क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड, फर्स्ट टर्म, पिरामिड सब देखने वाले हैं. ठीक है, तो लेट्स मीट इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. जाने के पहले डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द सेशन. ओके, चलो गाइस. This is Ashish Kumar signing off from this session. Let's meet again.